Now let us see example 3.36. Now see the question. Solve pq x square minus p plus q the whole square into x plus p plus q the whole square is equal to 0. So in our question they have given one quadratic equation. They have asked to find out the solution for this equation. So now here we are going to use to solve this equation using the formula method. Now let us see how to solve this equation. So write the solution. First the given equation, that is pq x square minus p plus q the whole square into x plus p plus q the whole square is equal to 0. We know the formula. What is the formula? Here we need to find out the x value. So x is equal to, the formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now from the given equation we are going to identify a value, b value and the c value. So the here a value is the coefficient of x square, that is the a value. So a value here, what is it? pq. And then b value, the coefficient of x, that is the b value. So b value is minus p plus q the whole square. So then c value, know that is the constant term. So the constant term is p plus q the whole square. Now can you apply in this formula? So now x is equal to, already in our formula itself one minus you have. So the minus into b value here, what is it? In the b value also another one more minus you have. Okay, so minus into p plus q the whole square, put it in the bracket. The next one plus or minus root of b square. So we know the b value, b square means then make the square. So minus into p plus q the whole square. Okay, so this full thing, that is the b value, b square means make the square. Minus 4 into, then you know that 4ac means 4 into a into c. 4 into a value here, what is it? pq. pq into c here, what is it? p plus q the whole square divided by 2 into a. So that means 2 into a value here, what is it? pq. So 2 into pq. Now you can simplify, is equal to, you know that minus minus, that is multiplication, it will become plus only. So the next remaining thing, what do you have? p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of, here see here this square is common for here, p plus q this square. So here this minus, the square is common for this minus also. You know that minus 2 times if you multiply means how it will change? Minus minus, it will become plus only. The square is common for this term, the square is common for this minus also, that we have put it the bracket. Okay, so then minus square means minus into minus, that it will become plus only. So now again if you simplify, p plus q the whole square, the power, again power if you have, you need to multiply 2 into 2, that is 4. So now if we simplify, how it will change? p plus q the whole power 4, because this minus it will become plus. Okay, so the next one, minus 4 into pq into p plus q the whole square divided by 2 into pq, you know that 2pq. So the next one, now see p plus q the whole square plus or minus. Now in this term, so here already you know that how you can say that is one term. In between plus or minus if you have, that you can say this is one term, this is another term. So here the put it the bracket, this is one term. Okay, so this part one term. So in this 2 term, which is common part? Now see here also p plus q you have, here also p plus q have. Here in this term p plus q 4 times you have, here 2 times you have. So already you know that both commonly if you have means the lowest power you can take it outside. So here p plus q is common for both the term. This one term, this is one term, this both the term p plus q is common. Here 4 times you have, here 2 times you have. So that lowest power you can make it outside. So p plus q the whole square into, so here in this term 2 times already we have taken outside. So the remaining what you have? So p plus q the whole square minus, in this term p plus q the whole square already we have taken outside. So the remaining thing what you have? Minus 4 into pq. Okay, so the next one, p plus q the whole square plus or minus the root of p plus q the whole square. Now can you simplify? You know the formula for a plus b the whole square. Here what do you have? p plus q the whole square mean p square plus 2pq plus q square. Okay, so you can apply the formula for that p plus q the whole square. So that is p square plus 2pq plus q square minus 4pq. So the next one divided by 2pq. So the next line, p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of p plus q the whole square into, here also you can see that like terms. So you can simplify it. Here 2pq you have, here minus 4pq you have. So the same like term, pq term. So now you can simplify, here different sign you have, here plus symbol, here minus symbol. So then different sign if you have for addition, you have to subtract and the biggest number symbol. So then what it will come? Minus 2pq. Already p square plus q square. The remaining this only we are simplifying. Okay, so plus 2pq minus 4pq mean that you know that minus 2pq. Subtract and the biggest number symbol, that is minus. So the next line, p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of p plus q the whole square. Here you know that you can apply the formula. So what formula like that you have? A square minus 2ab plus b square. That means p square minus 2pq plus q square. So this instead of what you can write p minus q the whole square formula you can apply. So you can write the next line, p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of p plus q the whole square. This instead of we can apply the formula p minus q the whole square. Okay, so write like that, p plus q the whole square plus or minus root of p plus q the whole square. So p minus q the whole square. So I know that in the inside root, that is the square root. Okay, so this part 2 times you have, 2 times if you have in one part you can make it outside. So on this part also, because that's a multiplication, so here the p minus q also 2 times you have. So square root 2 times if you have in one thing you can make it outside. So the next line you can write p plus q the whole square plus or minus square root 2 times if you have in one time you can make it outside. Here also the 2 times you have, so one time you can make it outside. So then again you can simplify here. This now you can consider this is one term. Okay, so this one term, because in between plus or minus you have, this you can consider as a one term. So this two terms which is common part. Now see here also p plus q you have, in this whole term p plus q you have. So then both the terms you have the p plus q. So commonly can you make it outside? So if you take it outside, that p plus q, so inside what you have? So already I said that a common part, the lowest power only you need to take. So here 2 times you have, in this term 1 time you have, so 1 time only you can make it outside. That's the lowest power. So p plus q, if you take it outside, the inside part what it will come? So that here 2 times, 1 time already we have taken outside, the remaining 1 time it will come. So then p plus q plus or minus, here also 1 time we have taken outside, the remaining part what it will come? P minus q. So next again you can simplify, because in between plus in between. So now see here, x is equal to, next you can simplify, in between plus or minus you have. So plus p minus q you can take, after the next part minus p minus q you can consider. Now x is equal to p plus q into, here in this plus or minus, first plus p minus q you can consider. Okay, so p plus q plus p minus q divided by 2pq, comma next part the same thing only, but minus p minus q it will come, p plus q into p plus q minus p minus q. Okay, so divided by 2pq. So now you can simplify here, p plus q, in this part you can cancel it, plus q minus q you can cancel it. So if you cancel the remaining part, 2 times p you have, so into 2p divided by 2pq. So in this part also, so 1 plus p, 1 minus p you can cancel it. So both things if you cancel mean the remaining thing 1 q, here 1 q, totally 2 q it will come. So the remaining part p plus q divided by 2pq you can write. Next again you can simplify, here the common part 2p, here 2p you have. So the remaining what you have, x is equal to p plus q divided by q, comma here in this part also what is the common part? 2 is common, here also q is also common. So you can cancel it. After cancel, what you have got it? P plus q divided by p. So now x value, 2 things you have got it. So now the solutions of a solution of x value is x is equal to p plus q divided by q, comma p plus q divided by p. That is the answer. Thank you.